My dear student, today I start a new chapter, area of trapezium and polygon. So first, area of trapezium. So first we deduce the formula how to find the area of a trapezium. So here ABCD is a trapezium where AB parallel DC. So these two sides are opposite sides are parallel, and here CD and PA are the perpendicular distance of these two parallel line AB and DC. So first we join the line diagonal, draw the diagonal AC. Now, so area of this trapezium ABCD is equal to area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle CDA. Here in the figure, area of the trapezium ABCD is equal to area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle ACD. These are the two triangles. Now area of this triangle ABC equal to half into base AB and height CD, and area of the triangle ACD is half into base with respect to the base DC. When DC is the base, then height is AP. AP is the perpendicular distance, perpendicular drawn from the opposite vertex of the side DC from A to the extended side of CD. So AP is the height of the triangle ACD with respect to the base DC. So here area of the triangle ABC plus area of the triangle CDA. So area of the triangle ABC equal to half into AB into CD, half into AB into CD, plus area of the triangle CDA equal to half into CD into AP. So base CD and height AP. Now CD and AP are equal because these are the perpendicular distance between the two parallel lines. So it is H. So half into AB into H plus half into CD into H. Now half and H is the common factor from both these two terms. So half into AB plus CD into H. So this is the formula, half into sum of the parallel side into distance between the parallel side. So area of the trapezium equal to half into sum of the parallel side into distance between the parallel side. Now question number 1 of exercise 18a. In question number 1, it is given that in a trapezium, length of the two parallel sides are given 24 cm and 20 cm, and distance between the parallel side is also given 15 cm. Figure is not given in your book, but I draw the figure. ABCD is a trapezium where AB parallel DC, AB equal to 24 cm, DC equal to 20 cm, and distance between the parallel side is perpendicular distance between the parallel side AB and DC is 15 cm, which is PQ. Now area of this trapezium equal to half into AB plus CD into PQ. So half into 24 plus 20 into 15 cm square, and its calculated value is 330 cm square. So area of this trapezium is equal to 330 cm square. Next, question number 2. Here is also question number 2. In a trapezium, find the area of the trapezium where length of the two parallel sides are given 38.7 cm, 22.3 cm. Figure is not given here, so I draw this figure. So PQRS is a trapezium where PQ and S are parallel to each other. So PQ equal to 38.7 cm and S are also given 22.3 cm, and ST is the perpendicular distance of the two parallel sides PQ and SR. So PTST also given 16 cm. So area of this trapezium equal to half into sum of the parallel side into distance between two parallel sides PQ and plus SR into ST. So half into 38.7 plus 22.3 into 16 cm square. So half into sum of these two numbers is 61.0 into 16 centimeter square. 2 8 is 16. So 61 into 8, 488 centimeter square. So area of this trapezium is 488 centimeter square. Next question number 3. This is the top of a table and it is given that its shape is trapezium shaped. So name of the vertex are not given, but I put the name of the vertex. So PQRS is the trapezium where PQ parallel SR. Length of PQ and SR is given 1.4 meter, 1 meter, and distance between these two parallel sides is 0.9 meter. Find the area of this tabletop. So area of this, that means you find the area of this trapezium. So area of the trapezium PQRS equal to half into sum of the parallel side. PQ one of the parallel side, SR another parallel side. So half into PQ plus SR into ST, distance between the parallel line, perpendicular distance between the parallel line. So half into 1.4 plus 1 into 0.9 meter square. So its calculated value is 1.08 meter square. So area of the tabletop is 1.08 meter square. Next question number 4. So here in question number 4, area of the trapezium given. Area of the trapezium is given and the length of the two parallel sides is also given. Find the distance between the two parallel lines. So we draw this figure. ABCD is a trapezium where AB parallel DC and DE is the perpendicular distance between the two parallel line AB and CD. And find the distance of ED. Let ED equal to 8 centimeter, and it is given that area of the trapezium ABCD is 1080 centimeter square and length of the two parallel sides AB equal to 55 and CD equal to 35 centimeter. We already write there. Let ED equal to 8 centimeter. So now we know the formula, half into sum of the parallel side into distance between the parallel side equal to area of this trapezium ABCD. Now area of the trapezium 1080 and formula is half into 55 plus 35 into h, half into sum of the parallel side into h. So this is the linear equation in one variable. Here only one variable is h. So half into 55 plus 35, 90 into h equal to 1080. So its calculated value is h equal to 24. So distance between the parallel line is 24 centimeter. Thank you.